Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with 10 DIY face masks for glowing skin that you can easily whip up at home. First up, we have the honey and lemon mask, perfect for brightening your complexion and reducing acne. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of honey with half a lemon's juice, apply it to your face and leave it on for 20 minutes. Next, let's talk about the avocado and yogurt mask. This one is super hydrating and great for dry skin. Mash half an avocado and mix it with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Smooth it over your face and let it sit for 15 minutes. Our third mask is the turmeric and milk mask, which helps in reducing dark spots and giving you a natural glow. Combine 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of milk. Apply the mixture and leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Now for the banana and honey mask. This mask is fantastic for moisturizing and soothing your skin. Mash half a banana and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply it to your face and relax for 20 minutes. Our fifth mask is the cucumber and aloe vera mask. It's incredibly refreshing and perfect for cooling your skin. Blend half a cucumber with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply and leave it on for 15 minutes. Next is the oatmeal and yogurt mask, great for exfoliating and soothing your skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply it and let it sit for 20 minutes. Seventh on our list is the egg white and lemon mask. This mask tightens your skin and reduces oil. Whisk 1 egg white with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply, wait for 10 minutes, and then rinse off. Our 8th mask is the papaya and honey mask, which is perfect for brightening and rejuvenating your skin. Mash a slice of papaya and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply it to your face for 15 minutes. Next, we have the coffee and coconut oil mask. This one is excellent for exfoliation and hydration. Mix 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply and leave it on for 10 minutes. Last but not least, the strawberry and yogurt mask. Perfect for acne-prone skin and reducing redness. Blend a few strawberries with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply and let it sit for 15 minutes. And there you have it. 10 easy and effective DIY face masks for glowing skin. Try them out and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching!